Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn more about water, precious water. Can you live without water? No, isn't it? So, we need water for our survival, to live. The same way, even plants and animals cannot live without water. If there is no water, there won't be any plants or animals. And we all know that we depend on plants and animals for our food. Overall, there won't be any life on earth without water. So, water is precious and we need to save water. And water is tasteless. You drink water and see how it tastes. It does not have any taste. And also, water is colorless. Can you say water is this color or that color? No, isn't it? So, water is colorless and tasteless. Now, let's learn sources of water. What do you mean by sources? From where we get water. So, we get water from the pond, lake, river, well, and so on. Okay. So, these villagers and all, they take water from ponds, lakes, and wells for their survival, isn't it? Okay. From where do these water bodies get water? These lake, pond and all, from where they get water? It is from the rain. Rainwater fills the ponds, lakes, river, well, ocean, sea, etc. So, rain is the main source of water. And pond is the smallest water body. It is a very small lake kind of a thing that is called pond. And river water is flowing water. Okay. And sea water is salty. Have you ever tasted sea water? If you taste it, it will be salty. And ocean is the largest, the biggest water body is the ocean. Okay. Now, among these water bodies, we can differentiate them like man-made water bodies and natural water bodies. See, these pond, lake, river, sea and ocean are not made by us. It is by nature. So, we call them natural water bodies. What are natural water bodies? Pond, lake, river, sea, ocean. Whereas man-made water bodies are well, bore well, overhead tank, all these are man-made water bodies. It is made by man, isn't it? The well is dug by man and the borewells are bored by we people, isn't it? So, it is called man-made water bodies. Now, let us learn about uses of water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, watering plants or for growing crops, cultivation. Okay. And you know what? We should drink plenty of water to be healthy and strong. Okay. And drinking water should be purified before drinking. How can you purify the water? By boiling and cooling the water. You should boil, cool it and then you should drink. Or you can filter and drink. You get many filters, isn't it? Like Pureit. There are so many filters available. Aquaguard. There are so many things. Okay. So through filter also you can purify the water and drink. Drinking water should be always kept clean or kept in a clean pot and it should be closed with a lid always. Clear, children? So, you should not waste water. You should save water. You know, the drinking water, usually we get drinking water from river. Okay. And we all know how it is dirtied by the people. The village people know, they wash their animals, they wash the clothes and that soap water gets mixed in the water. And a factory waste, this, that and all, the river water will be dirty. So, what we have to do, we should purify before drinking. Understood? Okay, children, stay healthy and strong. Hope you all understood the lesson. Bye-bye.